Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashion Illustration with Pratima. So I am making series of videos on elements and principles of design in fashion. So in my previous video I have discussed about lines and colors, and in today's video I will be discussing on texture. So texture describes the body and surface of fabric. It is one of the elements that we can see and feel it. Texture is created by fiber types, by woven or knitting, or by surface enrichment like embroideries, smocking, fabric manipulation, etc. Textile fibers are the filament of thread which are woven or knitting by using rift and wrap technique to create thread or yarn into fabric. The quality of fabric depends on the types of fibers. Designers use different types of textile for their creation. Textile fibers are generally classified as natural and man-made. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. Plant fibers are jute, flax and cotton, and animal fibers are fur, feather, wool and silk. Synthetic fibers like polyester, nylons comes under man-made fibers. These fabrics are strong and wrinkle resistant. It can be blended with cotton and wool to create better fabric. These nylons and polyester fabrics are especially used for making lingerie wear and sportswear. Different varieties of textiles are produced in different parts of India. Maybe you have heard that Naga shawl from Nagaland, Monga silk of Assam, brocades from Surat, Banarasi sari, ikat, mirror work, pashmina shawls, chikankari. These all are the traditional fabrics of India. So if you are purchasing any fabric or clothes, you will definitely feel the fabric texture first, no? And you will ask to the shopkeeper like, what's the material is this? Is it breathable or not? And one thing that no one wants to wear scratchy or rough fabric. Some fabrics may be cheaper but can be disaster for you. So in this video I will be discussing on different kinds of fabric and clothes that we have to use in different seasons. So watch the video till end. So now it's summertime and summer brings along lots of heat. Natural fibers like linen and cotton were best for summer. This fabric can absorb moisture of the skin and still feel dry to the touch. Cotton and linen are ideal for casual shorts. Rayon are also good for summer. It is semi-synthetic fiber. It keeps the skin cool and breathable. You can also play with colors, like you can go for light colors, clothes like white and more of pastel tones like baby blue, lavender, baby pink, and you can go for floral also. And during the winter season we probably prefer wearing fabric that are thicker. For the cold climate, the most common fabric were silk, pashminas and various wools, furs, feather jacket, which kept us warm in winter. We can also go for colors in winter season like warm color like black, brown, red, etc. For spring season, which is blend of warm and cool humid weather, at such weather we can go for silk and light woolen fabric. Many years back in history, cotton is collected and made into a ball and converted into a thread by spinning on a wheel called charkha, and this thread is dyed with different colors and weaved on weaving loom to make clothes. While some people knit also, but in today's generation both this process of weaving and knittings are done in machine. Here I have some fabric with me. Due to lockdown I couldn't go outside or market. Still I have managed some fabric with me which I will be showing with you guys. So this is Dhaka fabric, which is traditional handmade fabric of Nepali people. It's a beautiful woven fabric with infinite color and patterns. I have denim also. Denim has become an evergreen favorite of every individuals worldwide. This is cotton lycra blend denim, which is stretchable. Here I have velvet also. This is soft and smooth fabric. This fabric is popular for evening wear and dresses for special occasion. So this texture on velvet, which is golden color flowers, is surface embellishment. It's machine embroideries, which is looking great on this velvet. So this is cotton fabric. I couldn't manage cotton fabric with me, like beautiful cotton fabric with me. So this is also a cotton. It's called 2x2 cotton, which is used as a lining of a fabric. Here I have muslin fabric, which is also a cotton fabric. We use this fabric as a draping on dress form. So this is the selvage part of the fabric. So this is rayon fabric, rayon kurti, which I have found in my wardrobe. Rayon fabric is made from purified cellulose fibers, which are typically created from wood pulp. It is semi-synthetic fibers and it keeps the skin cool and it's breathable. So this is satin fabric. It's very versatile with high glossy surface and dull backside. It's good for western wedding gown and one-piece body hugging dresses. It holds good shape of the body and looks elegant to the wearers. So this is organza fabric. It's a thin sheer fabric. Organza is traditionally made from silk. It is perfect for creating scarves, blouse, dupattas, and organza puff sleeve, which is in latest trend. So this is tweed fabric, which is some kind of rough fabric but more closely woven. It's thick and warm. It's good for winter wear. So this is fox fur or fake fur, while we get original fur from animals like rabbit and sheep, but this is synthetic and it is used for making teddies, jackets, hats, etc. So this is georgette fabric. It's very lightweight fabric. It is best for loose flowy garment. Georgette is also used for saris, blouse and dresses. So here I have this one also, which is decorative net fabric. It is best for designer sleeves. By using this fabric, we can create puff sleeve, or by giving linings, we can create blouse and dresses. So finally, I have this last fabric with me, which is cut dry fabric. It is thick cotton fabric with velvety ribs. It is generally used to make garments such as shorts, jacket, pants and skirts. So guys, thank you for watching my video. See you on my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and do subscribe my channel.